Yeah?
Some kid just walked out and pushed it all out down.
Go, 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 go!
Stack up. Can we not go that way? I'm with you, I'm on your six.
Keep firing. Simon, duck. Duck, Simon. Simon, duck. What the hell? What's the right? They're in there, they're in there. On the left. Oh, hit! Nice shot.
Anybody got a grenade?
I think he hit the GoPro. No, that guy's fucking annoying. Watch, he's gonna hit me. Ready? Nope, I guess not. They get ya?
What?
I said they get ya?
They get stacked up and then we'll break. Guys, stack up, queue up in the hallway. Referee, come down! Referee! Talking about the icebox? No. Referee, come down! There is one behind the ice machine.
Okay, there's one behind the ice box.
Yeah, I can see him.
Alright, Simon, you got one? Got him. Nice shot, Simon. Oh, heads up! Heads up! Fuck me, I'm out of ammo. Hit!
Watch the hallway. Guys, we gotta stack up and move in force so we never get the fuck out of here.
Hey, I'll be right back. I'm getting a Thunder Beat. You hear me?
Watch the guy on the floor next to the thing.
Will.
Changing back. Ready?
Go, 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 go. He went to the left. Go. Go, go, go. Oh. Come on, come on.
See if we can get some money.
Oh, we go, we go, we go. Go, go, go.
Is there anyone there?
I don't know if there's anybody.
Hey, is there someone right here? Stand on one.
I don't know if he's over there.
Go, 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 go.
Watch out. Go, 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 go. What? It doesn't matter.
That flashlight's not a guy. Grenade! Go, 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 go.
Will. Will.
Hey, was that grenade supposed to shoot? Yeah, no, I shot you in the backpack. That's why I announced it.
Good shot, bro. Thanks. Okay, he's dead, he's dead. He's gone, so.
Okay, there was a game.
Hey guys, there's a guy down there. There's a guy down. Nice, nice. What was that?
Oh, man.
Was that the? Oh, you had it on your chest?
Yeah. I was walking around the whole game like this, like someone shoot me.
I didn't see you.
Someone shoot me.
I looked at you. I thought you were one of my
Yeah,
friendlies.
you literally have like a 10-bear stare of airsoft on your chest. I got it moving forward. This guy's like pushing it. Sounds better.